Hey Google, what is the application rate for eraser?
According to Do My Own, answer, eraser 41% weed killer herbicide is mixed at 1.5 ounces per gallon of water to control most annual weeds, or 2.5 ounces.
Thanks, Google. Okay guys, just glyphosated the whole yard. I don't know how I feel about it. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit scared, but here is the after. Did the whole yard. It's a nice bluish green tinge to it. All right, so plan is in like 5 days, I'm gonna go ahead and glyphosate it again to make sure I didn't miss any parts, and we'll film that again, and yeah, so check back in a couple of days. We will see how it did, and then the fun starts. Hey guys, when you're dealing with glyphosate, make sure you're wearing all of your PPE. Wear gloves, wear long sleeves, wear pants, wear boots, all that good stuff. This stuff's nasty. You really don't want to get it on you. Also, pro tip, when you're doing it, make sure you're paying attention to where you're walking. There was a lot of times when I was doing this that I almost walked into my neighbor's yard. You're gonna be tracking this stuff on your feet, and it gets onto the leaf blades of the grass and it's gonna kill it. So unless you want to be replacing your neighbor's grass, the little footprints where you walked, make sure you're not stepping into the neighbor's yard. Make sure you're watching. It's nasty stuff.